Mostly cloudy skies with foggy patches on Wednesday morning in parts of the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, Mpumalanga and the Lowveld, as well as in Gauteng, with some mist likely over the low-lying areas. Then we still have this onshore flow bringing a few light showers for the East Coast and an area of convergence where a few isolated thunderstorms might bubble up over Lesotho and the surrounding provinces like the Free State, as well as the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. But those thunderstorms can quickly blow away with only a 10% chance for the rest of the Free State and Eastern Cape, and some drizzle expected along the Eastern Escarpment and the Lowveld of Limpopo early the morning. Where it's sunny, you'll have a peak performance on your solar panels over large parts of South Africa, but we can see in the shades of blue, it's going to be cloudy. Also windy along the southern coastline with a strong easterly wind picking up the afternoon, a northeasterly wind blowing fresh the afternoon over the northern coast of KwaZulu-Natal, and northerly winds also picking up over the entire of South Africa. It's going to be a windy afternoon for northwest Gauteng, the Free State and parts of the Highveld. Also a northerly wind blowing fresh at times here along the west coast due to a low pressure system sitting just off the coast in the Atlantic Ocean. 22 the afternoon in Cape Town with sunny skies, and then that easterly wind blowing fresh over the Overstrand and also later blowing strong along the southern coastline where it's going to be quite chilly with maximum temperatures remaining below 20 degrees. Some foggy patches on a Wednesday morning in parts of the Eastern Cape, and this onshore flow will bring in more cloud and most of the rain between Port Alfred and East London. Light showers likely over the adjacent interior, and then as mentioned, a few isolated thunderstorms likely to bubble up over the bordering areas near Lesotho in the Eastern Cape, and this includes KwaZulu-Natal. There's also a very slim chance of a few loose thunderstorms bubbling up near Durban, but they can quickly blow away, and a northeasterly wind picking up over the northern coast of KwaZulu-Natal, becoming hot afternoon in Ladysmith and Newcastle. Cloudy at first in parts of Mpumalanga, especially the Lowveld, and then later becoming windy over the Highveld. Also a cloudy start to your day for the Lowveld of Limpopo and parts of the Eastern Escarpment, where foggy patches are also expected. Foggy patches likely in Polokwane and near Bela Bela, and then later the wind picking up in parts of the Bushveld. It's also going to be a very hot, dry and windy afternoon for northwest, so a high fire danger in place for the entire province. Please be careful out there. In the Northern Cape, a northerly wind picking up here along the coast. It's icy cold at first in Sutherland and then becoming hot and windy over the northeastern regions, where the South African Weather Service is warning against runaway fires, as well as in parts of the Free State. Later becoming partly cloudy with a slim chance of a few thunderstorms bubbling up over the province. Most of the thunderstorms will actually develop over Lesotho and surrounding regions. In Gauteng, 26 in Pretoria the afternoon, some cloud the morning and then becoming windy the afternoon. On Thursday, we still have that onshore flow bringing a few light showers for the coast of the Eastern Cape, and it will remain mainly hot, dry and windy over central and northeastern South Africa. Therefore, that high fire danger in place on Thursday as well as Friday for those regions, peaking at 30 degrees in Johannesburg. The opposite in the southwest, where it's only 18 in Cape Town as well as George on Friday. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.